Altium Designer for a while, you will find the toolbar menu structure to be pretty intuitive. However, productivity enhancements may be realized with a bit of customization of the user interface. Customization is centric to each editor, whether it's the PCB editor, schematic editor, or any other editor within Altium Designer. I will be working in the PCB editor. To invoke the customization dialog from the toolbar, simply go to DXP Customize, or alternately, you can double-click on the empty space of the top toolbar here. Once the customizing dialog has been opened, you can simply drag toolbar items from one menu to another. Here I will move Create Board Cutout from selected primitives up to the Board Shape menu for easier access. By holding the Control key while dragging, you can make a copy of a menu bar item and then move it to another toolbar, such as copying the Polygon Pour menu item to the right mouse click menu. By dragging a menu item into free space and dropping it, the item is removed from all toolbars. I will remove the Remove from Version Control menu item from the Version Control menu. The editor shortcut keys can also be customized by clicking on the Shortcuts drop-down menu and selecting the shortcut to modify. Here I will change the Next Signal Layer shortcut. Note that the dialog tells you if the shortcut key is being used by another function. So I will set Next Signal Layer to the Z key. So let's have a look at what we've done so far. As I'm routing, I can now use the Z key to drop a via and switch routing layers. The Create Board Cutout from selected primitives now resides on the Board Shape menu. The Remove from Version Control menu is no longer available, and a copy of the Polygon Pour menu option is now available on the right mouse click menu. Custom toolbar icons can be created to run your custom scripts. First, the script must be added to the Global Projects under the Scripting System Preferences. For this example, I will use the PCB Logo Creator script found in the Altium Designer Examples directory. From the Customizing dialog, custom toolbars can be created and then configured. I will make a pull-down menu for my hardware items and then drag footprints from my hardware library to the toolbar to have them handy for all of my designs. Next, I will drag the Run Converter Script function from the Scripts category in the Customizing dialog up to my new toolbar, and then add an icon to the command to run it. So let's have another look at what we've done. When I click my new toolbar icon, the PCB Logo Creator script is run. I will place the Altium logo on my top overlay layer and then perform the conversion. Now that I have my new PCB with the Altium logo, I can go ahead and place my mounting holes from my hardware in the drop-down menu I placed on my custom toolbar. If ever you get the graphical user interface messed up, you can always revert back to the original default settings from the Customizing dialog by clicking on each toolbar in the Toolbars tab, and if any modifications have been made, you can click the Restore button to revert back to factory defaults. Customization